Today, I'll show you how to create those viral Italian Brainrot quiz videos.
Who is this bizarre creature?
It's Piero Spaghetto Orso.
Who is this bizarre creature?
Just like this one. So let's get started. First, we need to create Brainrot character images. And once you've got your characters, we'll need a quiz script that matches each of their names. For that, we'll use ChatGPT. Just open ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've already written. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us both the image prompt and the quiz script. Now, take the image prompt, copy it, and paste it into your image generator. Make sure to set the size to square so it fits the video format well. And boom, your image is ready. Repeat this step to generate all the images you need for your characters. Once all the images are done, it's time to build the quiz video. Open Edimakor and start a new project. First, go to the background section and pick a nice motion background. Then, import all your character images. Start with the first one. Now from the text section, add a text box beside the image. Paste the quiz question you got from ChatGPT. Then copy and paste the multiple choice options, one by one. At this point, the video looks good. Now let's add the voice. Click on the question text and go to text-to-speech. You'll find lots of voice characters. Pick one you like and click Start Conversation. Boom, your voice is ready.
Who is this bizarre creature?
Head over to the animation section and apply a zoom-in animation to the image. It makes the video look more dynamic. At this point, the video looks good. Go to the Elements section and place the timer element right where the question ends. We'll also add a ticking clock sound effect to create some suspense. As the timer ends, trim any extra sounds. Then remove all the wrong options, keeping only the correct one, and add a bell sound effect to highlight the right answer. Now for the answer part, let's add the voice again. Go to the audio section, select text-to-speech, and pick Italian language. Copy the answer from ChatGPT, paste it in, and click Generate Speech. Once it's ready, just extend the background and elements to match the voice duration.
Who is this bizarre creature?
And just like that, part 1 of our video is complete. Now, simply copy the entire timeline and paste it forward. Replace the old character image with the next one. Change the options and regenerate the answer voice using the new character's name. Keep the rest the same. Repeat this for all the other characters, and your full quiz video will be ready. So go ahead, try it yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.